uFroliana Joseph nomfowabo uDavid Joseph basolwa ngokubamba iqhaza elikhulu ekwebiweni kwemali epulazini likamengameli ngo-2020. Imali kuthiwa yabe iyinkokhelo evela kusomabhizinisi waseSudan emva kokuthenga inyathi kumengameli. Umbuso ubungasiphikisa isicelo sabo sebheyili. Inkantolo ithe lezi zelamani zikhombise ngokugculisayo ukuthi uma zikhishwa ngebheyili angeke zibalekele ingalo yomthetho yabe isibanika nemibandela eqinile ehambisana nebheyili yabo.
The conditions are as follows. She must appear in criminal court at Bela Magistrates Court at 8:30 on the assigned court date and at all such times until or places to which the case may thereafter be remanded until the conclusion of the case. She must refrain from any communication with witnesses for the prosecution. Her passport shall remain in the custody of the investigating officer until the matter has been finalized.
Umsolo wokuqala uEmanuela David yena usagcinwe esitokisini samaphoyisa. uDavid ubhekane nelinye icala lokushushumbisa imali. Yena kulindele ukuba asifake mhlazi isithupha kuzibandlela isicelo sakhe sebheyili.
I am confident that we'll proceed with the bail application, and then it is the magistrate's discretion to either grant or not, but we are confident that we are going to proceed and put up a good case, a good fight for that matter. So all will be done on the 6th.
Umbuso uthi uyimisele ngokusiphikisa isicelo sika David.